Hello everyone. Today, we will show you how to fix a Netgear Nighthawk router that has no internet connection. First, check your internet modem. Make sure the modem is turned on and the cables are connected properly. The modem should be connected to the WAN or internet port on the back of your Nighthawk router. If you see a loose cable, unplug and plug it back in. Next, restart your modem and router. Turn off the modem and router. Wait for about 30 seconds. Then turn on the modem first. If your router still shows no internet, check the LED lights. On most Nighthawk routers, the internet LED should be solid white or green. If the light is amber or off, the router is not getting internet. In that case, move to the next step. Open a web browser on a device connected to the router. Type 192.168.1.1. Enter your admin username and password. If you have never changed them, the default is usually admin and password. Once logged in, go to the basic settings and check if the internet connection is set to automatic. If your ISP gave you login details, you may need to switch to PPPoE and enter the username and password provided by your internet service provider. Finally, if none of these steps help, contact your internet provider to check for service outages in your area.